Hello students, welcome to PYQs. So today we are going to see question number 25 of 2024 Maths Standard Set 1 questions. So in the previous videos I have covered question number 21. I have explained in detail what is elimination and substitution method, and in question number 22 it's regarding probability question, that is pack of cards question. I have explained that part as well. In 23rd question it is related to trigonometry. We have options A and B. I have solved both the questions. At the same time, the last one is 24th question. It belongs to triangles chapter, where they ask relating similarity and congruency concepts. So if you have any doubts regarding to those questions, you can check to those videos. I will keep those links in the description. So let's see 25th question for today. Here also you have two options. You can either solve this one or this one, and both belongs to one chapter, which is real numbers. So let's solve A part first. So what is A question? They are asking to prove 5 minus 2 root 3 as an irrational number. It is given root 3 as irrational. So as this is just 2 marks, they have given this option, but if it is asked for 4 marks or 6 marks, they will not give this as option. You have to prove root 3 as irrational as well. Okay, let's solve the first one. So for this type of questions, what you have to do is, first step, let us assume 5 minus 2 root 3 as rational. So we'll assume this as rational, prove this is not rational at some point, and we'll say that it is rational. So as we are assuming it as rational, we can write this in form of P by Q, where P comma Q are co-primes. Co-primes in sense it does not have any common factor between them, and Q not equal to 0, and P and Q are integers. Okay, now let's write. So what we will see is, you will use this concept, that is root 3 as rational. So to get what you have to do is write root 3 is equal to in terms of other terms. So for that, first of all what I will do is, I will just swap P by Q and 2 root 3. So if it moves left side becomes minus, it moves the right side becomes plus. Now take LCM, it becomes 5Q minus P by Q is equal to 2 root 3. So if I write root 3 now, this becomes 5Q minus P by 2Q. So but it is given rational, but we have assumed P and Q as rational, so definitely P and Q as integers, so definitely 5Q minus P by 2Q is rational. So irrational cannot be rational, so our assumption is wrong. Which is 5 minus 2 root 3 is not rational. If it is not rational, definitely it is irrational. Okay, let's solve the B part. 5 into 11 into 17 plus 3 into 11. 5 into 11 into 17 plus 3 into 11. So first of all, understand what is a composite and prime number. Prime number will have only 1 in the number itself as a factors, whereas composite number will have at least more than 2 factors. Okay, so if you see this number, we can see that 11 is a common for both the numbers. So I can write this as 5 into 17 plus 3. So what is 15 into 5 into 17? It is 85. 85 plus 3. 85 plus 3 is 88. So 11 into 88. So here itself we can see it has more than 2 factors. And also I can write this as 11 into 8 into 11 as well. Okay, so one more factor we're getting. So definitely it is having more than 2 factors. As this is having more than 2 factors, it is a composite number. Okay, so hope you understood this A and B part. If you have any doubt with respect to this question, kindly mention in the comment section so that I can check and answer in detail if required. At the same time, please do subscribe and keep your notification symbol on so that in the next video, that is 26th question, you'll get notified and you can see this question. Thank you.